Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Sophie. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. What a beautiful day. Yes, the weather is perfect. Are you hungry? I'm hungry. A little bit. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I need to get ready. Get ready? Why? I have plans today. I'm meeting my sister. Oh, I see. Where are you going? We're going shopping. She needs new clothes. That sounds fun. Yes. What about you? What are your plans? I don't know. Maybe I'll go get breakfast. That's a good idea. Do you want to come with me? We can have breakfast together. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm meeting my sister at 10. No problem. Maybe next time. Yes, definitely next time. Where will you go? I don't know yet. Maybe the bakery on Main Street. Oh, that bakery is good. I like their croissants. Me too. Okay, I'll go there. Have a nice day, Sophie. You too, Lisa. Have fun with your sister. Thanks. See you tonight. See you tonight. Here's the bakery. It smells so good. Let me go inside.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything looks delicious.
Thank you. What would you like today?
I want something sweet. What do you recommend?
Our croissants are very popular, fresh from the oven.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like a drink with that?
What drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate sounds great.
Good choice. Here or to go?
Here, please. Can I sit by the window?
Of course. That table is free.
Thank you.
I'll bring your order to the table.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This seat is nice. I can see the street.
Here you go. 1 croissant and 1 hot chocolate. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
This croissant is so warm and buttery.
And the hot chocolate is perfect. So cozy and sweet.
This is a great start to my day.
It's almost noon. I'm getting hungry again. Let me go to the market first. I need to buy some fruit. Here's the market. So many fresh fruits.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy some fruit.
What fruits do you like?
I like bananas, apples, and oranges.
All of those are very fresh today.
Great. How much are the bananas?
$2 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 1 pound of bananas.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I want 2 apples and 3 oranges.
Perfect. That will be $7 total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Now I have fruit for later, but I'm really hungry now. Oh, there's a food truck. Perfect.
Hi there. Welcome.
Hello. What's the most popular?
We have chicken, tuna, and veggie sandwiches.
I can't decide. What sandwiches do you have?
The chicken sandwich is our best seller. Very tasty.
Okay, I'll try that. 1 chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like a drink?
What drinks do you have?
We have water, orange juice, and lemonade.
Orange juice sounds good.
Perfect. 1 chicken sandwich and 1 orange juice. That's $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait here.
There's a bench under that tree. You can sit there.
Good idea. Thank you.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. This sandwich looks tasty. It's so good. The chicken is tender, very filling, and this orange juice is so fresh and cold, perfect for a hot day. It's 3 o'clock now. I want to relax. Let me go to the bookstore first. I love looking at books. This book looks interesting. I'll buy it. Now I want some coffee. There's a cafe next to the bookstore. This cafe is nice and quiet.
Welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, I want coffee, but I'm not sure what to order.
Do you like hot or cold coffee?
Cold, please. It's hot today.
Then I recommend our iced coffee. It's very refreshing.
That sounds perfect. Would you like something to eat?
What do you have?
We have muffins, cookies, and cake.
What kind of muffins?
We have blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
The blueberry muffin sounds good. I'll take that.
Great choice. 1 iced coffee and 1 blueberry muffin. That's $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Okay, can I sit by the window?
Of course. That's a nice spot.
Thank you. Sophie, your order's ready.
Thank you. It's 7 o'clock now. Time to go to the night market. Here I am. So many people and lights. That grilled chicken smells amazing.
Hello, what would you like?
The grilled chicken smells so good.
Yes, it's our specialty. Very popular.
How much is it?
$3 per skewer.
I'll take 2 skewers, please.
Good choice. That'll be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your chicken. Enjoy.
Thank you. This chicken is delicious. I want some rice, too. Excuse me, do you have fried rice?
Yes, we have chicken fried rice and vegetable fried rice.
Which one do you recommend?
The chicken fried rice is more popular. It's very tasty.
Okay, 1 chicken fried rice, please.
Good choice. Small, medium, or large?
Small, please. I want to try other food, too.
Smart idea. 1 small chicken fried rice. That'll be $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your food. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. This fried rice is perfect. Now I want to try those noodles. Hello, what kind of noodles do you have?
We have regular noodles and spicy noodles.
I like spicy food. Tell me about the spicy noodles.
We have medium spicy and very spicy.
What do most people order?
Most people get medium spicy. Very spicy is really hot.
Okay, I'll try medium spicy. 1 small bowl, please.
Good choice. $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your noodles. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. Wow, this is spicy, but so good. I'm very full now, but I want dessert. Oh, there's a bubble tea stand. Hi, what flavors do you have?
We have milk tea, taro, mango, and strawberry.
I've never tried taro. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, taro is very popular. It's sweet and creamy, purple color.
That sounds interesting. Is it too sweet?
Not too sweet, just right. Most customers love it.
Okay, I'll try that. 1 taro bubble tea, please.
Great choice. Regular or large? What's the difference in price? Regular is $5, large is $7.
Regular, please. I'm very full from dinner.
Perfect. 1 regular taro bubble tea. Do you want extra tapioca pearls?
Extra pearls.
How much extra? Just $1 more. You get double pearls.
No, thank you. Regular is fine.
Okay, that's $5 total. Here you go. Thank you. Your drink will be ready in 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Sophie, your bubble tea is ready.
Thank you so much. This bubble tea is so good. The taro flavor is sweet and creamy. I love it. Today was a great day. I tried so much good food. It's almost 9 o'clock. I should go home. Lisa's probably home now. I had so much.
Hi there.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where's the milk?
It's in aisle 4.
And where can I find the eggs?
They're next to the milk.
Do you sell bread?
Yes, it's in aisle 2 on the middle shelf.
Where's the sugar?
In aisle 5 on the top shelf.
Do you have bottled water?
Yes, we have small and big bottles.
How much is 1 bottle?
$1.50 for small, $2.50 for large.
Okay, I'll take a large one. Where are the apples?
They're in the fruit section near the bananas and the cheese.
Aisle 6, next to the yogurt and butter.
Do you have rice?
Yes, several types. Aisle 3.
Great, I think I have everything.
Okay, please come to the checkout counter. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Do you have a membership card?
No, not yet.
Would you like to sign up for one?
Maybe next time.
Would you pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
All right, please tap your card here.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hi there. Hey, beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it's really sunny and peaceful. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here almost every evening. What about you?
This is actually my first time here.
Oh, welcome. It's a lovely place to relax.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. And you?
No, I just moved here last month.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's nice. Quiet and clean.
That's true.
How old are you?
I'm 25. You?
Same here. I'm 25 too.
Do you work close by?
Yes, I work at a bank. How about you? I work in a clothing store.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's fine. I enjoy fashion.
That's cool. What do you do after work?
I usually go for a walk or watch movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis. What about you?
I like walking and doing yoga.
That's healthy.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes, but often with friends.
Would you like to walk together?
Sure, let's go.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's one of my favorite places.
What time do you usually come here?
Around 5 p.m. most days.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here. I had a good time.
I should get going now.
Okay, maybe we can meet again.
Sure, same time tomorrow.
Sounds great. See you then. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Just one person.
Yes, please have a seat over here.
Okay, thank you.
Here's the menu. Please take your time.
Thanks a lot.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, some water, please.
Would you like fries as well?
Yes, a small fries, please.
Would you like them spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please.
All right. 1 chicken burger, small fries, and water.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Here's your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like some dessert?
What do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fruit.
I'll have some ice cream, please.
Sure. One moment. Here you go.
Thank you. It's really good.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.
Here's 15. Keep the change, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to Star Cinema.
Hi, I'd like to buy 2 tickets, please.
Sure, which movie would you like to watch?
The new one, The Adventure City.
Okay, what time would you like?
What times do you have today?
We have shows at 3 p.m., 5:30 p.m., and 8 p.m. Let's see. I'll take the 5:30 show.
Great. Would you like regular seats or VIP seats?
Regular, please.
All right. 2 regular tickets for the 5:30 show. That's $20.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here are your tickets.
Which hall is it?
Hall number 5 on the 2nd floor.
Perfect. Are there any snacks inside?
Yes, you can buy popcorn and drinks at the counter.
Nice. I'll get some popcorn too.
Sure. What size? Small or large?
Large, please.
Here you go. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye. Wow, this place is huge. Yes, and it looks so modern. I love the lights and music. There are so many shops here. Where do you want to go first? Let's start with the clothing store. I need a new jacket for work. Sure, let's go. Oh, look, this one looks really stylish. Try it on. Okay, give me a second. What do you think? It looks great on you. The color really suits you. Really? I like it too, but I'm not sure about the size. Maybe try a smaller one? Good idea. How about now? Perfect, if it's just right. Nice. Let's check the price. Oh, it's on sale. Only $35. That's a good deal. I'll take it. Great choice. Do you need anything else? Yes, maybe some shoes. Mine are getting old. Okay, the shoe store's over there. Let's take a look. Wow, look at these sneakers. They're cute. Yeah, I like the white ones. How much are they? They're $50. Not cheap, but they look comfortable.
True. Try them on and see. Okay.
Oh, wow. They fit perfectly.
They look great. You should buy them.
All right, I'll get them. Awesome.
You've got new shoes and a jacket.
Yes, I'm happy with my shopping today.
Me too. After this, let's grab some coffee and relax. Good idea. I know a nice cafe upstairs. Perfect. Shopping and coffee, the best combo ever.
I couldn't agree more.
Hello.
Hi, I'd like to buy some fruits and vegetables.
Sure, what do you need first?
I want some apples.
Okay, these apples are very fresh and sweet.
How much are they?
They're $2.50 per pound.
Great, I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I need some potatoes.
All right, they're $1.80 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 3 pounds.
Got it. Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, do you have broccoli?
Yes, it's right here. Very fresh today.
How much is it?
$2 per pound.
I'll take 1 pound.
Would you like some carrots too?
Sure, how much are they?
$1.50 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 2 pounds.
What else do you have? We also have lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes.
I already have lettuce at home, but I'll take a few tomatoes.
Red or green?
Red, please.
All right, $3 per pound.
1 pound, please.
Okay, let's see. Apples, $5, potatoes, $5.40, broccoli, $2, carrots, $3, and tomatoes, $3. That's $18.40 in total.
Here's a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here's a $1.60 change.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Goodbye. Hey, thanks for coming over.
No problem. What are we cooking today?
Let's make some pasta for lunch.
Sounds good. Do you have all the ingredients?
Yes, I bought everything this morning. Pasta, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Perfect. What should I do first?
Can you cut the onions and tomatoes, please?
Sure. Do you want small pieces or big ones?
Small pieces, please.
Okay. And what about the pasta?
I'll boil it. The water's almost ready.
Do you add salt to the water?
Yes, just a little. It makes the pasta taste better.
Nice tip. How long should I cook the sauce?
About 10 minutes. Stir it slowly so it doesn't burn.
Got it. Oh, it smells so good already.
That's the garlic. I love that smell.
Me too. Do you cook often?
Yes, a few times a week. It's relaxing.
That's great. I usually order food, but cooking is fun with a friend.
Exactly. Food tastes better when we make it together.
The pasta looks ready. Shall I drain it?
Yes, please. Be careful, it's hot.
All done. Let's mix it with the sauce.
Wow, it looks delicious. Try a bite.
It's amazing.
See, we make a good team.
Yes, chef. Next time, let's bake something sweet.
Deal. Maybe apple pie.
Perfect idea.
Hi there. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, not at all. Please sit.
Thanks. It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, the sun is strong, but at least there's a nice breeze.
True. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like this park. It's quiet and green.
Same here. I come to relax after work.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you?
I work as a teacher. I teach English to kids.
Wow, that sounds fun. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love spending time with children. They're so curious and funny.
That's great. So, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading and taking photos. How about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and cooking.
Oh, really? What kind of music do you play?
Mostly pop and soft rock.
Cool. I like that too. Do you like sports?
A little. I go jogging sometimes, but I'm too lazy in the morning.
Same here. I always say I'll wake up early, but never do.
That's so true. Maybe we can jog together one day. It'll help us wake up.
Good idea. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Nina. And you?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Well, I have to go now, but it was nice talking with you.
Same here. See you again soon.
Sure, maybe next weekend.
Sounds perfect.